Well, summer is over and fall is here, so you know what that means. It's time to go cruising. Beautiful. Welcome to Ocean Cay. I'm at Bimini Beach. I don't know which is better. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Coconuts on the trees. Beautiful. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. I think we're interrupting the seagulls today. Feels so nice. Down here is a bar. I know I saw like a snack thing over here, so I may walk over there just to get a cold drink, and then I can kind of just chill out in this area. Ooh, they're fishy. There's the ship. All the shells and coconuts just lined up. Out the shadow. Lined up along the walkway here. Kind of wild. Conch shells galore.
When it's so outside, I get the money for me.
Trying the pizza. I'll take you and a salad. Yes. Have yet to play anything in here. Maybe I'll do that today. I don't know. Look at this staircase. Did not know it went down to the Tiger Bar. So that's cool. The deck party or the island party is moved inside. That's what it looks like.
Which would we consider a good price? I did through the Panama Canal 14 days. It was $500 a night. Yeah, $7,500, but I was not impressed.
Go down.
Jingle bells, let's go. We will dance.
Now look, I want you to put your arm around your neighbor. Put your arm around your neighbor. Whoever, I don't care if you know him. I don't care if you know him or not. Put your arm over their shoulder. Stop trying to act like you don't know them people. Upstairs, hello, upstairs. Put your arm now. It's real simple. We're gonna rock left to right. Rock left to right. Keep it slow like that. Get it, Z. Gotta rock with it. You know from Atlanta? So we gotta swag it up just a little bit.
I got this cool, this Ferrari. I'm strong in this
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time.
I'm sorry, you gotta deal with that. Come up here. I'm sorry, that's the last thing you gotta deal with. Come here, what's your name? Olga, and how long y'all been together?
Half a year.
Half a year, okay, nice. Do you dance better than that? Oh, you dance better than that? Because I couldn't believe y'all was together by the way you was dancing, the way he was dancing. Can we just see, because you were breaking out, you had your hips going, you were working it, you know what I'm saying? So this is what we're going to do. I want you to turn this way. Face this way right there, all right? Now look, when you turn around, I want you to give me the best dance move ever, okay? I'm going to have a little dance off. You're going to do this first, and you're going to do yours. All right, you ready? Are y'all ready? Hype it up! Okay, you ready? All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.